Hi, this is Jim Slane, Slane Brick Stone. Just did this rubber roof, put it 22 inches up under the original shingles, put new shingles on it, all new trim work. Still got a little bit of touch-up painting to do. We just rehung the old gutter. You can give me a call at 614-470-2356. Columbus, Upper Arlington area, and also Dayton, Centerville, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Weston Township areas. Go downstairs here a little bit. Had to do framing repair. The roof on this leaked a lot. It's had 4 roofs. Well, this is the 4th roof on it. Had 3 roofs underneath this. Did some damage to the studs and the headers. I basically did this without pulling out the patio doors. I probably saved this guy about $5,000 on this job. Again, 614-470-2356. Thanks for watching.